What does push to GitHub mean? Push equals upload your local project on your computer to GitHub. It sends your code, your commit history, your branches from PC your computer to cloud GitHub website. Why? So your project is backed up and shareable. What you need before pushing? You need Git installed, a GitHub account, a GitHub repository, a project folder on your computer. Why? Push connects your local project to GitHub. Step 1. Go to your project folder. Open terminal or Git bash. cd your project folder. Why? Git must run inside your project folder. Step 2. Initialize Git. If not already done, command git init. Why? Starts tracking your project. Step 3. Add files to Git. Command git add, meaning select all files to be committed. Why? Prepares files for saving. Step 4. Commit your changes. Command git commit m, initial commit. Why? Creates first snapshot of your project. Step 5. Create a GitHub repository. On GitHub, click New Repository. Copy repository URL. Why? Creates online place for your project. Step 6. Connect local project to GitHub. Command git remote add origin less than repo URL greater than. Why? Links your computer project to GitHub. Step 7. Push code to GitHub. Command git push u origin main. Why? Uploads your project to GitHub. What happens after pushing? Now you can see code on GitHub, share your repo link, create branches, open pull requests, collaborate with others. Why? Your project is now online. Common beginner mistakes: forgetting to commit before push, wrong branch name, master vs main, wrong repository URL, pushing large or secret files, not adding git ignore. Why? These cause errors and security issues. Public vs private project push. Public push, anyone can see code. Private push, only invited users can see code. Why? Controls who sees your project. Best use cases: push project to GitHub for personal backup, college projects, team projects, portfolio, open source. Why? GitHub keeps your work safe and organized. Real life example: push to GitHub equals upload photos to Google Drive. Local folder equals your computer. GitHub repo equals cloud storage. Why? Access your project anywhere. In simple words: push equals upload code. Commit equals save work. Repo equals online folder. Edit code means commit means push. Local project means GitHub project. That's how your code goes online rocket.